I'm Ann Mooney here in northern Baltimore County with Dorvel Offord, who is a construction manager with ComEd. Dorvel, tell us a little bit about this job.
Well, what we had here is we had multiple cross arms that came down. Trees brought the cross arms down. We had one phase of wire down, and we had to change out this transformer up here. And what we're doing now is once we get the transformer changed out, we will be able to liven the feeder back up and get the customers power restored.
So you and your fellow employees came all the way from Chicago, the Chicago area. When did you get here?
We arrived yesterday afternoon. We understood the devastation that was caused by Hurricane Irene. So when the call came to us to come help with the restoration efforts, we were all on board to come down and help get power restored.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate all your help. What's the damage been like? You've worked a couple jobs, I'm sure, by now. What have you been seeing out there?
Well, mostly a lot of tree damage. A lot of trees brought down wires, a couple of broken poles we've seen, a lot of wire down, cross arms broken. So mostly I'm assuming the hurricane that came through, it blew a lot of the trees over and brought down a lot of wires. So that's what I've been seeing so far since I've been here.
Have you had any interaction with some of our customers along the way? Has anyone talked to you? And if so, how have you been received?
Oh, we've been received well. I actually, probably a little while ago, I talked to a customer. He was standing in front of his house. A wire was down in front of his house. I was driving by, so I pulled over and I talked to him. I got all his information. I called it in to the BG&E folks, and they told me they'd get a crew right out on it right away. So the customer was appreciative. He was happy to see me, and I think a lot of the customers that I have seen, they were all seemed pretty happy with seeing extra help come down to help get the power restored here.
So have you ever been to Baltimore, or is this your first trip?
No, it's my first trip. Traveling around in the mountains, coming to get here, it's a little different than driving in Chicago, but I'm enjoying the view, not only the view, but everything that Baltimore and BG&E has shown me so far. The accommodations have been great, and I'm looking forward to getting everybody back in power.
Well, on behalf of our employees, our customers, other contractors, thanks so much for all you and your coworkers are doing. We'll keep you posted on the restoration efforts associated with Irene in future editions of this program.